Hi, creator. I know that for a lot of us, including myself, one major way or one major thing that we are looking out for is getting subscribers, right? We want to get subscribers because we know that it is one of the requirements, for us to get monetized. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can, use the Google app and the YouTube app. Yes, if you're going live from your YouTube app, you're not using any other strange app or any other foreign app or any other thing to do this live stream. You are doing it right from your YouTube app. You don't have to show your face. Yeah, certainly you don't have to show your face, but you'll be doing this and you'll be getting more and more subscribers, even views and watch hours. I always advocate for live stream. True, because I have seen that live streaming gives you watch hours that are valid. There is better off than using shorts, right? I know that short form content is one way you can get subscribers fast, but it doesn't give you watch hours. So the best thing to always do is to use live stream because you will get both subscribers and also watch them hours. So in this video, I'll be showing you a screen record that you can watch. Just practice through and see how you can get subscribers using Google app and YouTube app. So I said we're going to be using Google and the YouTube app itself. We're going to head on to Chrome browser and we're going to search for games or puzzle game. Let me just say puzzle games. Puzzle games. I'll search for puzzle games and I'm going to select images, right, so that it can give me suggestions based on the images. Right, so I have some here and I'm going to look for the particular one, or I'm going to look for one that is clear enough that I can use. This one is the puzzle game. Down here you will see the answers. Well, I'll show you what we're going to be doing with that. Let me just download that one. Let's just click on this to download it. Right, so I'll hold the picture and click on download image and then that's saved on my phone. The next thing I want to do is to go to any of my photo editors. I'm going to be using Canva. So I'll just click on the Canva app and allow it to open up. Now while we wait for this to open, please, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button and leave a thumbs up on this video. This is going to help the algorithm push it more to more persons. Also, ask me anything, leave a comment and share this video to your family and friends for them to also see and watch and understand what to do when they need to do a silent live stream. All right, so this has opened up now. I'm just going to continue by searching for what I want. I want a YouTube live stream thumbnail design, but I want one in that has a ratio of 9 by 16. You know the normal thumbnail design is always 16 by 9, but for this one I want a 9 by 16 because I'm not using it for my thumbnail. I'm going to be using it for my green screen, right? So I'll look for one. I'll just scroll through these ones and look for one that I can use, one that is very simple. All right, so I'm going to just scroll down and look for one to use. Let me click on this one and use this one. I just need the templates. I'm not using any other information here for anything. I just need the templates to, I just need a template. I need something that is 9 by 16. So I'm going to swipe to the next one so it gives me plain background. So that there are things I can do here. Either I make the picture, right? I can just make the picture, the background here. I'll click on it and then click on replace. Then when my gallery opens up, I'm just going to, when my gallery opens up, right, I'm just going to pick, I'm going to pick that picture and just replace it as the background of this particular page. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, it has worked already. So this is it. I have it here. I like it like this because now it's very clean and it's clear. If I want to add more information, so I'm going to click on text and I'm going to click on any either title or heading. I'm going to type something like how many how many words how many words can you oh sorry, take this back. How many words can you find, right?
Okay, so I'll just take it up here. Okay, I'll take it up there, and I'm going to change the either the colors that it's so I see what I uploaded. I'm changing the color so that I'm seeing what I uploaded. Or all right, okay, so this is it. How many words can you find? So this is it up here. Um, okay, this is it. Now I can just go ahead and click on download and download this. Now the second option I have is to let me create a new page. The second option I have is to add that as a page. I'll add that as a picture to this page. So I'll just go to my gallery again. I'll click on gallery and I'm going to click on that particular picture, and then I'll click on add to page. All right, I'll click on add to page, and this is it here.
Okay, so from practice, I noticed that if I get to use that first pattern, I might not get what I want. So what I now do is I just get the picture to be at the middle, right? This way, it's when I get to stream finally, it is clear, everything is showing, no part is cutting off. Like I said, from practice, I have noticed that some parts usually cut off if you put it in a full screen. Now, when I'm done with this, I'll go ahead and just download the picture to my phone so I can proceed with going live. Let's watch how this gets to work out. Like I said before, if you're here to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and leave a like, a comment, share on this video. I really appreciate it. Okay, so I'll go to my YouTube I'll scroll to my YouTube, right? I'm using my this page to test run this. So I'm going to click on the plus button here in order for me to go live. I'll click on the plus button so that I can get to go live. I'll click on that and then I'll pick the option that says live. Now when I'm here, I will always advise that you put in all of your information. Click on the pencil icon in order for you to be able to input your title, your upload a thumbnail, input your description. If you want to schedule the post, you do all of that. Just click on that pencil icon there. Okay, when you are done with that, the next thing you want to do is to click on the next button, right? Just click on the next button. This part that says no, yes, and then no, it is not meant for kids, or it's meant for kids. And try you always leave it at no, it is not meant for kids, so that you can post show your video to adults, right? You don't want it to be restricted because of that. So now we're going live. So go ahead and just click on that drop down screen there, right? For you to be able to have the green screen. So you click on the green screen and it's going to have, you're going to have something like this. When you have the green screen turned on, it simply means you're using this as a background. So you just go ahead and click on the picture that was saved. This is it. As you can see, showing everything is not, no part is cut off. Everything is showing right here. So all I need to do next, if I don't want my voice to be out at all, I'll go ahead and mute the sound, right? I'll click on the mute button to mute the sound, and then this is me already streaming. I'm just going to place my phone somewhere that nothing interferes with it so that I don't get to show, and that is it. That is all you need to do for the silent live stream. Remember, you must not use puzzle. You can use any other thing to get this done. If Q's picture can do, now this is the result of this one. Can allow it to run for 1 hour, just so that you can see what it looks like and what the result it can give to you. So imagine you do this for more than 1 hour, to more than 2, 3, 4 hours. The result might be better, right? So you've come to the end of this video. I am grateful that you watched to this point. This simply means that you got value for the time you spent here. Thank you so much for watching. And please, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button. Leave a thumbs up for me. If you have any question, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. I'm going to be responding either with a video or privately. Please leave a comment and let's get to build a community together. I'm hopeful and I will see you in my next video. For now, do have a blessed day. Bye.